You're watching Let's Chat.
Legal Aid of East Tennessee provides fantastic legal advice to community members throughout our region that are in need. It's so good to have with me in the studio today Emily O'Donnell and Ann Boatner, attorneys with the Legal Aid of East Tennessee, to talk about the Eviction Prevention Initiative. Tell me, what is this?
So the Eviction Prevention Initiative is a program that was founded during the pandemic to assist people who are facing eviction. It's a true community partnership with Legal Aid of East Tennessee, Habitat for Humanity, the Chattanooga Regional Homeless Coalition, the Community Foundation, and we're funded in part largely by the City of Chattanooga. So it's a true public-private partnership with lots of partners to provide legal representation and case management to families who are facing eviction.
What are their goals and why is this so important?
So the goals of the Eviction Prevention Initiative are to provide legal representation and, in certain situations, case management and access to flexible funding for folks facing eviction in Hamilton County. And we've learned that the intervention of an attorney is incredibly important in preventing the negative effects of eviction. So when a family or a tenant is unrepresented in court, when no lawyer is involved, the likelihood of them getting an eviction judgment is very high, about 75%. But when attorneys step in, the likelihood of a positive or a reduced outcome jumps up to about 96%. So
wow.
Yeah, just
That's
having
amazing.
an attorney available is really helpful.
So someone might not even know this is available to them and the rights they might have, especially post-COVID.
Correct, exactly.
So talk to me about the recent report that was released that highlights the benefits of EPI. Maybe that's what you were touching upon.
Sure, yes. So we've had a cost-benefit analysis done on the program, and it shows what we suspected, that the public investment to this program really does pay off. For every dollar that's invested in EPI, the community at large sees about a $4.85 benefit, because the eviction, it's obvious that it hurts the family, right? But there are costs to the entire community. The landlord loses money. Mm-hmm. The court system has a cost. The education system bears a cost. And so we really wanted to look at how eviction affects the whole community, not just the families that are directly affected, but also how that investment can pay off to the community in a much better way.
What are the stages of this? How does it begin if someone needed help?
Sure. So if somebody has a notice from their landlord that they're going to be evicted, or if they've received the court papers, at that point they can call our intake line and get processed to speak with a lawyer and to see what might be available for them.
What are some of the other amazing things that Legal Aid of East Tennessee does?
Legal Aid of East Tennessee provides representation for low-income clients in all areas, or in many areas of civil law. So family law matters, debt, other sorts of issues that may affect homes and households in Chattanooga.
It's one of those organizations that I'm always impressed by, very educated women like you that give back in this area when you could be making, probably triple what you're making at a firm like this with your degree. How does it feel to help the community like this, especially in this program?
I couldn't imagine doing anything else.
What about you, Emily?
It's really, it's really satisfying. It does feel like there's a sense of fairness. The court system is designed for people to have lawyers, and when one side has an attorney and the other doesn't, it doesn't really feel like justice.
Right.
So being able to level that playing field and make sure that win or lose, at least both sides are heard, is really remarkable.
Well, thank you for coming on in the studio today and all you do for the community, and what a wonderful example you give to your daughters who are here in the studio today.
Thank you.
You bet. Thank you for coming on the show. LAET.org to learn more about Legal Aid of East Tennessee and their Eviction Prevention Initiative.
That's right.
Thank you again so much for coming on. LAET.org.